equations reducible to the linear equations and solving them. Equations reducible to the pair of linear equations and solving them. So let us see here. Is it visible to you?
Yes.
These are actually the given equations are not linear equations. Why they are not linear equations? Can you say?
So, yes, sir. Sir, because whenever the variable will be in the product form or in the denominator, and when they will have plus or minus sign, and they will have they will be in the denominator, so that particular equation will not be a linear equation. So we have to convert it into a linear equation first.
Yes. Converting into the linear equations. That's okay. So how do we convert this into the linear equations? Let us see here. Here, these are the not linear equations because the variables are in the denominators. Here 21 by
Sir,
x plus 2 is there, and
sir,
1
what?
by y minus 2 is there.
Sir, what Smriti says? Can she repeat again?
See here, the equations, which equations are called linear equations? Means linear is nothing but power of the variable should be equals to 1. Variable power. And you may see that here also, sir, x ka power 1 hai na. But x is not the simple as a one coefficient you are not having. That is present in this situations, whatever I am showing to you, in the denominator it is present. So we can consider it as a linear equation. Linear equation general form kaise hona hai? Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a square plus b square is not equals to 0. That means x should be there. This is the general form of the linear equation in two variables. General form of the linear equation. So the equations, if they are not in that form, then we call that equations as a not linear. So we will convert them into the linear, means by using the one procedure, we will convert them into the linear by the consideration. Okay, so that let us see here. Now see here, this 21 by x plus 2 is written as 21 into 1 by x plus 2. And 1 by y minus 2 is written as, see here, in the brackets, whatever it is writing, both equations are having the same. So brackets में क्या लिखा है? So that whatever it is there is considering as a u and v. Some other new variable consider that. So here it is considered as a 1 by x plus 2 as a u and 1 by y minus 2 as a v. Then the given equations will be transformed to 21u plus v is equals to 4, 14u plus v is equals to 3. Now this equation number 3 and 4 are linear equations in variables
Linear
u and v.
equations.
They are the linear equations in the variables u and v. U and v as a variables. These are the linear equations in the variables u and v. So now you have to solve these two linear equations by using the any methods whatever you have learned in the previous classes. Either you can use a substitution method or elimination method. Here elimination method is subtracting. So 7u is equals to 1 we are getting. U is equals to 1 by 7. And whatever u we have considered, that you have to replace here. First v value also we will find it. Substitute that u is equals to 1 by 7 in the one of the two equations. So that it will give you as a result as a 2 plus v is equals to 3, v is equals to 3 minus 2, and v is equals to 1. Now here u value we got it as a 1 by 7, v value we got it as a 1. Now u we considered as a 1 by x plus 2. So 1 by x plus 2 is equals to 1 by 7. And 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 1. So now here we are going to get x plus 2 is equals to 7 and y minus 2 is equals to 1. On solving these two, x and y value we have. So like this solution we can convert. Although the given equations are not linear equations, but we have to substitute these values in the given equations so that we'll get the verification. So although the given equations are not linear equations, we can convert them into the linear equations by considering the one particular expression, considering we have to take into consideration. So here we consider. So you may get doubts that in case if we are not finding the same expression in both equations, what to do? No, mostly the equations will be given to you like that. Don't consider, sir, first equation by 1 by x plus 2, second equation by other thing. If you are getting what to do, you may get it. Okay, did you understand? So this is the way to solve the pair of linear equations in two variables which are not in a linear form. The equations which are not in the linear form, we have to solve like this. So we got the verification also verified these two equations. So we can solve any pair of linear equations, non-linear equations, if such equations can be represented as a pair of linear equations. If such equations can be represented as a pair of linear equations. In case if it is possible to represent that as a pair of linear equations, then you can solve it. Okay. Now let us see here. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So now let us see the some of the problems given to you in your textbook. By solving that, how do we reduce them into the pair of linear equations? See here, exercise 3.6. So based on this, you are having exercise 3.6. In this first bit, let us take the problem which is given to you. Third problem, let us take into consider here. Third problem, see here. So what do you get here? 4 by x plus 3y is equals to 16 is the one. Sorry, 14 is the question. One equation is given. This is equation, only equation, not linear equation. Do remember, because 3 by x minus 4y is equals to 20. And whenever you observe this, we are having the y in the numerator, but x only we are having in the denominator. So you can rewrite the given equation as a 4 by x can be written as 4 into 1 by x. So let us consider this 1 by x as a some variable. Either you can consider u, or you can consider a, or you can consider m, any variable, other variable. 1 by x ko we need to consider it as a other variable. So that is up to your choice. It is not mandatory that you need to take only this variable. So 1 by x is equals to I am considering a. And 1 by y don't consider, because 1 by y is not available here. Y is there. Okay. If you want to avoid the confusion, y is equals to b, you can do it. Y place में b replace कर ले. A consider कर लिया ना, then the equations we are going to get in the form of the a and b, variables a and b. Otherwise, if you continue also, you are going to get the correct answer. Only this one consideration is enough for this problem. Y directly आ जाएगा, a and y variables. So that is not necessary to consider, but to see, let y is equals to b. Y का place में b replace कर. So then the equations will be transformed into 4a. 4 into 1 by x plus 3b is equals to 14. This equation is 1 you consider, this equation is 2 you consider. Here we are going to get 3, and second equation will be transformed by considering this one. 3a minus 4b is equals to 23. This you consider as a fourth equation. First equation will transform like this. First equation is transforming like this by considering this. Second equation is transforming like this. Now we have to solve these two equations. 4a plus 3b, 3a minus 4b is equals to 20. So which method is suitable here? If you want, you can write this as a minus 14 also. Which method is suitable here? Even substitution method, if you are taking, it takes the denominator a little bit complicated for that. If you are go for the elimination method, either 4 है इधर 3 है. This equation should be multiplied by 3. This equation should be multiplied by 4. Or this equation should be multiplied by 4. This equation should be multiplied by 3. Because to eliminate b. b को eliminate करना चाहते हैं तो इधर 3 है 4 इधर 4 है coefficient. So elimination method if you want to use in that way you can use. Or cross multiplication method if you want you can use the cross multiplication. Any one method you can use. So which method we will use? You tell me any one of it.
Sir, elimination.
Elimination.
You want it? Okay. Elimination. So elimination method में what you have equation को I'm eliminating b. b eliminate करना चाहता हूँ. So b का coefficient इधर 3 है, b का coefficient इधर 4 है. दोनों को equal करना है. So 3 and 4 are equal करने के लिए 3 को 4 से multiply करना है, 4 को 3 से multiply. So 3 को 4 से multiply. So this complete equation should be multiplied by 3, 4 plus करना है because opposite sign they are having. And 3 into equation number 4 implies. See steps and how clearly I am writing. You also should learn to write the steps in that. This equation I am multiplying by 4. 16a plus 12b is equals to 14 into 4. 56. This equation should be multiplied by 3. So 9a minus 12b is equals to 23 into 3, 69. So what to do here? We need to add them. Addition karna. Because this we want to eliminate. So no need of changing the signs here. This eliminate over here. 16a and 9a. We are going to get 25a is equals to 5, 120. A is equals to 125 by 25. 25 1 the 25 5. A is equals to 5. This A is equals to 5. Substitute in equation number 3 or 4. That is up to your choice. So then the third equation will be formed by substituting this one. In the place of 3, here A ka place mein 5 substitute karna. Then B value we are going to get. So 3b is equals to 14 minus 20 minus 6. So b is equals to minus 6 by 3, which implies b is equals to minus 2. So after getting a and b values, most of the students will think that answer aa gaya. No. We need to find out x value and y value. Solving the equation is nothing but finding the x and y values. So in this a is equals to 5. So 1 by x is equals to a. This implies 1 by x is equals to 5. This implies x is equals to 1 by. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And y is equals to b. This implies y is equals to b ka place mein as it is minus 2. See here. You may get doubt, sir, is it necessary to consider y is equals to b? You may get doubt. So it is not necessary. Should not consider either what you get 4a plus 3y is equals to 14. 4a plus 3y is equals to 14. 3a minus 4y is equals to 23. So a and y variables means there will be a little confusion to see the equations. In most of the problems, you have to consider the both depending upon the situation. Okay? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us move to the fifth problem in this exercise. 3 problems I will explain to you. Fifth one, see here. Something this is looks like a different, but it is not different. 7x minus 2y by xy is equals to 5, and 8x plus 7y by xy is equals to 50. These are the two equations given to us. So in this situation, directly it is not appearing to us to consider any value here in this situation. So what to do here in this 7x by xy you can write minus 2y by y you can xy you can write is equals to 5. And 8x by xy.
Sir, X से X cancel और Y से Y cancel.
That is only. Here x and x will get cancelled. Here y and y will go. Here x and x will get cancelled. Here y and y will go. So what do you get here? 7 by y minus 2 by x is equals to 5, and 8 by y plus 7 by x is equals to 50. Now here, little bit confusion will be there for some students. Sir, always we are considering 1 by x is equals to a. Yes, if you want, you consider like that only. Let 1 by x is equals to a, because we are having here 1 by x, here 1 by x, here 1 by y, here 1 by y. Sir, 1 by y किधर है? 7 into 1 by y, 2 into minus 2 into 1 by x. So that's why 1 by x is equals to a, and 1 by y is equals to b. I am taking into consideration. So what I will get here? 7. Here most of the students will write the mistake. 7a लिखता है. No, b consider the 1 by y as a b. So 7b minus 2a is equals to 5, and 8b plus 7a
is equal to 15.
15. Now you consider these equations as a any number you can give. Here equation number 1 or equation number 2. You can give. 1 and 2 you give. Now you have to find out the a and b values. If you want to use the elimination method, इधर 2 है, इधर 7 है. दोनों को equal करना है तो this equation should be multiplied by 7. This equation should be multiplied by 5. And you can find out. Can you find out?
Yes, sir.
Can I leave the solution or complete solution you want? Okay. You want? Okay.
Sir, we will solve.
Follow करेगा?
Yes, sir. We can do it.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the next 7th problem. This is the way, after getting the a and b values, don't get confused. Here in this problem, most of the students will have a confusion that they are going to get confused that a and b values, because all the problems are having the similar way. 1 by x to 1 by y, like that we will consider. Okay. So, but here in this problem,
तो सर ए और बी डालने के बाद अभी हमें फर्दर करना पड़ता है क्या?
Yes, after getting the a and b values, here substitute करना है. X is equals, suppose here a value if you get it as 1 by 5, here 1 by 5 लिखना है. So 1 by x is equals to 1 by 5, then x is equals to 5. So that is the way you need to do. Okay. Now let us move to the next problem, 7th one. So this is little bit different, 7th problem. So 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equals to 4. The other equation is given to you. 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is equals to minus 2. So here in the previous problem we have split it. So some students in a confusion, इधर भी ऐसा ही लिखता है 10 by x plus 10 by y लिखता है, वो गलत है. बहुत ज्यादा लोग इधर क्या गलत लिखता है ना, प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम की जैसा लेके इधर 10 by x plus 10 by y लिखता है, इधर 2 by x minus 2 by y लिखता है. ये ऐसा लिख सकते हैं?
No, sir.
No, you cannot write like that. So this is the completely wrong way of consideration. So in this, what you have to do, complete 1 by x plus y you have to consider as a some variable. So let 1 by x plus y is equals to a, and 1 by x minus y is equals to b. Then these equations will be transformed to 10 into 1 by x plus y. Just like one example problem in the starting through the video I have shown to you in the same way. 10a plus 2b is equals to 4. You consider this as an equation of 1. And the another equation is 15a minus 5b is equals to minus 2. This is second equation. These two equations we need to solve by using it. And after solving here, the problem will not get direct to x and y values. Because here we are considering x plus. So this complete solution I will explain to you, don't worry. So what, in what way you have to simplify it? See here, if you want to eliminate b here, this equation I am multiplying by 5. That equation multiplied by 2. So 5 into equation number 1 plus 2 into equation number 2. This implies, इसको 5 से multiply. 50a plus 10b is equals to 20. So be careful while multiplying. This equation should be multiplied by 2. So minus 10b is equals to minus 4. So what to do here? Add. Because different signs are we are having. So we are going to get 80a is equals to 16. A is equals to 16 by 80. A is equals to 1 by 5. So A is equals to 1 by 5. Directly after getting A is equals to 1 by 5, this you substitute in equation number 1. First equation is substitute. So equation number 1 will transform into 10 into A 1 by 5 plus 2B is equals to 4. So here 2 को right side लेके जाओ. 2B is equals to 4 minus 2, 2. So B is equals to 1. Therefore, what we have considered there, 1 by x plus y is equals to a. This implies 1 by x plus y is equals to 1 by 5. This implies x plus 5 is equals to x plus y is equals to 5. This you consider as a third equation. Here direct solution we will not get x and y. We will get another two equations. So we are considering 1 by x plus x minus y is equals to b. This implies 1 by x minus y is equals to b का place में क्या है 1 है. So from this x minus y is equals to 1. Now you have to solve the equation number 3 and 4. Now you have to solve the equation number 3 and 4. 3 and 4 कैसे solve करेगा?
Elimination.
Directly equation number 3 plus equation number 4 कर. So what do you get here? X plus y is equals to 5. X minus y is equals to 1. Y will get cancelled. 2x is equals to 6. X is equals to 3. This you substitute in equation number 3. 3 में substitute करो. So equation number 3 will be transformed to 3 plus y is equals to 5. Y is equals to 5 minus 3. Y is equals to 2. Whether it is right or wrong, you have to check. Whether it is right or wrong, how to check. How do you check? In this, you have to substitute. So how do you substitute? X plus y is 5. So 10 by 5 plus 2 by 1. So what do you get here? 2 plus 2. We are going to get 4. Yes, here it is 4. Next, 15 by 5. 15 by 5 plus, sorry, minus 5 by 1. So 5 ones are 5 2s. Sorry, 5 ones are 5 3s. 5 3s are 15. 3 minus 5 minus 2. We are going to get minus 2. Yes, this solution is right. In the same pattern, the last question also can be solved. 8th question. When you see the 8th question, I'm going to just give the hint to you. 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equals to 3 by 4. Okay. And another equation is 1 by 2 into, here in the denominator it is given to you. You should be a little bit careful. 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equals to minus 1. So what should be considered, I am going to explain to you. Just complete solution. Right? Let 1 by 3x plus y is equals to a and 1 by 3x minus y is equals to b. So here what you get a. A plus B is equals to 3 by 4. Can anyone tell what you get here? Most of the students will write wrong here.
So can I tell?
Yes.
So it will be half A minus half B equals to minus 1 by 8.
Half A. 2A, we will not get 2A. Half A we will get. Half A means here 1 by 2 A means A by 2, half A, because we consider this part only. Minus 1 by 2 B is equals to minus 1 by 8. Sir, here fraction is there. What to do? You take this 4 here, 4A plus 4B is equals to 3. Here denominator same, A minus B is equals to 1 by 4. 4A minus 4B is equals to minus 1 we will get. And solve the two equations. A and B values you are going to get. After getting A and B values, that A and B values you have to substitute here. So 1 by 3x plus y is equals to A value, if you get it as a just like a previous problem, 1 by 5. 1 by 5 आया है. So 1 by 3x plus y is equals to 1 by 5. So 3x plus y is equals to 5. One more equation. So 2 times you need to solve. Two problems are included in only one problem. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And then the next bit, whatever the problems are there, we will discuss in the next class. Now you can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Anik, Tuhin, Shiva. What are you doing? Swarnakshi. Anik, Tuhin, Swarnakshi. Leave the meeting. तुहिन क्या कर रहे? तुहिन. तुहिन